But I'm coming here because police have failed me. The legal system have failed me. Because I'm dealing with somebody that can pay everything. So it happens that I've been married to a Nigerian guy for the past 15 years. We met when I was very young. All throughout these years, year in, year out, he'll be beating me, swearing at me. And I kept on keeping the proof of everything because I know the person I'm dealing with. Maybe it's because of the filter. If you can check here, I've got 2 permanent black marks that are able to clear when you look at me directly. This was on my birthday years ago. So as he's been abusing me, 2016, I got a first protection order. He promised to change as always. He knows how to manipulate the mind. He knows how to play mind games with me. He has made me lose my reasoning capacity so bad. I have 4 children with this guy. He met me with no child. I've got 4 children. So it happens that as he's always beating me, I open up a case this year, March. The case, it was so hard for him to get arrested by this GP police until I had to ask Qatar's parliament to intervene. That's when he was able to be arrested. As he was there, he stayed 1 month at Sun City. As Sun City, they wanted me to agree to bail. They were not going to give him bail until I agree, which I'm allowing him to get bail. So immediately, as he was there, he kept on calling. He had an access at Sun City over phone. His family kept on calling me. I couldn't sleep. His family that are here, his brothers, they went to my family to go and plead with my parents that I will not endure abuse anymore. That they've seen me being abused. They also have seen it with their own physical eyes. They know very well how me and my children were living here. Finally, I did allow to the bail. As he went out, the bail conditions was that he stay separate, I stay separate. As he was staying elsewhere, he kept on calling me, checking on the kids, saying he'll be a better man. I kept proof of everything. He asked for me to take him to counseling. I organized counseling for him through Lifeline. Started coming back to the house little. Little did I know that he's coming to take away everything from me. It took everything. Fraudulently, he changed cars from my name to his friend's name. The last time I dropped the Kia Sportage I was driving, it was by the car dealership where he said they're looking for the car to buy it through finance. But those cars were in my name. He stole my ID. I couldn't vote. I couldn't do anything. He took my particulars, took everything from our business account, cleared everything. He just got his permanent residency to stay in South Africa just April. Just this April, he got his permanent residency. That's when he became worse. He said for me to take him to prison. He's gonna show me. Then I asked him, but you've been abusing me for 15 years. What option did I have? Because the abuse now is affecting the children so bad. On the 26th of May, he defiled the warrant of arrest, the protection order that I had. The only thing that I thought is going to protect me whenever he starts being violent. Waphula endlini, he broke the house and ran and left. Amaphoyisa lawa ngiwabizile we-10-111 mewefika ngibachazela ukuthi lo bhuti lo ulokwenzani, and that he took my particulars that I can't vote, I can't do nothing. I did keep evidence of all these things through the camera at our house that he installed to monitor me. All these years I'm a slave. I must serve and worship him in everything he wants. I'm not allowed to have friends. I'm not allowed to go many places. He monitors me through the cameras at the house everywhere he is. My life is just a mess. And I'm not going to so for the past 15 years. To a point whereby he abuses the kids as well. My kid, has marks where he was beating her. He slaps my kid, a female child, on the face like he literally abuses us. Whenever so now because I want to say no more to abuse. Wathatha your kid, wathatha your kid. Ngiyahlupheka nabantwana bayi-4. Since March, ngisapota abantwana ngiyi-1 from my savings. I've ran out of my savings. My kids are owing school fees at school. They're owing 150,000 rands, but this man took everything and he's using our system to make sure he frustrates me. So on the 26th, after like 30 minutes, he came to the house here with his own police using the state car. Are you aware those cameras la? Here's the real perpetrator. They allowed him remove all his clothes from the house. They stayed 45 minutes lying in Lamapoisa Zena. It was on the 26th. We were about to vote. I said I'm not going to be able to vote because he took my temporary ID. He took my original ID. He took all my documents. Here's the perpetrator. Here's the warrant of arrest. All these things that I sent is going against the protection order. Baphuma naye la endlini bamsiza ukuthi abaleke la endlini abalekele authority babhadala because bekalahla bank statement la bekalahla ikhadi lakhe lase bank la endlini ngayenza bank statement yakhona ngabona la bhadala le phoyisa leli on the 27th of May. That's when they opened up a false case against me. Ngayazi case yakhona. No one came azongibopha endlini. No one came azongitshela ukuthi mina ngifuna amaphoyisa ngile case, because the last topic we had with the police previously that came on the 26th, the one that made him run away, was that I should come to the station the following day, meet the police that was in charge of our case initially, and he's gonna be the one to help me with the warrant of arrest, and he's gonna be the one to help me get all my documents. Sorry. And it didn't make sense because the previous police had nothing to do with it, hence the case was withdrawn because of pressure. I must drop the case, I must drop the case. And the only witness to the case, as the police officer told me, is that the only witness I had to my case was my daughter. I didn't want to put my child through so much trauma. This is part 1. I'll do another part 2 because it's only giving me 10 minutes to record. But I really, really, really need help. Not for me, but for my children. Ngiyahlupheka nabantwana bami.